So here's a few things that students get stuck on when they do logs. So for instance, if we have a log with a base that's a fraction, to get rid of that fraction, all you need to do is just change this to a negative. So you throw a negative in front of the log there, and then you're able to make this 2 instead of a half, which is again log base 2, 8. If you remember from the log rules, this is asking you 2 to the power of what is 8. So that's negative, and log base 2, 8, then it's 3, because 2 to the power of 3 is 8. And this here, log base 2 to the power of 4 of 32. To get rid of the power on the base, or the exponent on the base, all you need to do is just change this to log base 2 at 32, and then divide by the exponent. Divide the whole log base 2 at 32 by 4. And therefore this is asking you 2 to the power of what is 32? 2 to the 5 gives you 32. And then you still have the 4 on the bottom. And this is how you get rid of fractions in the base of a log. And if you have an exponent on the base of the log, that's how you get rid of it. Thank you for watching. Math is like a puzzle, and puzzles are always fun to solve.